Hey guys, so how many of you actually feel that you haven't worn sari only because you feel that it is really difficult to manage it, or it's really it's like a very hard thing to take care of, and you might have any wardrobe malfunction or something. So out of that scare, you don't wear it. So this video is all about all the beginners who want to start using sari as their attire, or they want to try wearing it out once, but then they're only scared कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, कौन से hacks use करने चाहिए, because they're not actually aware of how to wear it. So for all the beginners, for all the college students, or the high school girls, this is just the video that you might want to watch before you try wearing out the first time. So what I generally do is, see, I'm wearing it on this underskirt. Make sure that it is like it is matching the side, or even if it's not matching, it is like dark color that you're wearing, or maybe you can wear a pajama also inside for it to have a good space, leg space or something. So for the beginners, first of all, always choose a lightweight sari. Because आप पहली बार पहन रहे हैं, so it can be a possibility कि वो सरक जाए या वो भारी हो तो आपसे संभले ना. So I would suggest you wear something that is very light and easy to handle. So wear your heel. And also one more thing, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप heel में मैनेज नहीं कर सकते हैं, so you don't have to always wear a heel. What might work for other doesn't really mean that it will work for you also. So अगर आप heel में comfortable नहीं हैं, तो you can wear flat as well. Now I am wearing a heel, and let's start draping it. This is a very beautiful Georgette sari that I got online. If anyone wants to buy this sari, they can let me know. I'll put in a link down below so that you can check it out. So let's start it. जो इसका जो होता है वो knot होता है. Instead of keeping it here, keep it here, so that यहाँ पे वो bulging ना हो और यहाँ पे वो पीठ से बीच में कवर हो. So keep it here and then start putting it in. The first round, as you all do, देखते रहिए कि ये ऊपर ना हो ज़्यादा. Just stuff it in. And make sure that you use a contrast blouse that gives a very good chic look. लाइट साड़ी है तो like इसमें ग्रीन कहीं भी नहीं है, बट ऑरेंज के साथ ग्रीन इज अ कॉन्ट्रास्ट, सो आई ट्राइड यूजिंग दैट. So once the first round is done, take this like that, turn it around, then put it here and make pleats. Sorry, make pallu. Make it like this. और यहाँ से देख लीजिए, क्योंकि मैंने उसको उल्टा पुल्टा कर दिया है, तो यहाँ से एक बार देख लेंगे कि विच इज द सीधा साइड. देन टेक इट लाइक दिस एंड कीप इट हियर. जितना लंबा पल्लू रखेंगे उतना ज़्यादा इट विल गिव अ गुड लुक. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कीपिंग इट अ बिट लॉन्ग. सो वंस यू रीच हियर, टेक दिस थिंग हियर एंड पुट इट एंड देन स्टार्ट मेकिंग प्लीट्स. It's very simple, क्योंकि लाइट वेट है तो आपके लिए इजी भी है. You can also try using it with a dupatta, like a long length dupatta. You can use 2 dupattas and make a sari. If you want to check out that video, and I have that on my wall, you can check it out there also. I'll put in a link below so that you can check it out. Take these pleats, उनको सबको वो कर लीजिए एक साथ. Put it here. Make sure that they're all in one length. Then take it all and जहाँ से ये लेवल स्टार्ट होता है, pack it in. And please keep checking the length of your sari. ये ऊंचा नहीं होना चाहिए, because if it is ऊंचा then it will look really bad. Keep it like this. Then once this part is done, अब आप beginner हैं, तो आपके लिए ये पल्ला संभालना, you can either keep it like this if you want. But I've heard there are many people who've said that मुझे transparent kind साड़ी पहननी है, but I don't want to show the navel. Family restrictions are also there, and then the society that you locality or the place where you live also matters a lot. So I have a trick for that. First of all, take a safety pin and pleat your palla, as in like pleat it here, put a pin here. Now once that is secured, आपको जो मैं अभी टेक्निक बताने जा रही हूँ उससे आपको 2-3 तरह के फायदे होंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आपको पल्ला संभालने की जरूरत नहीं है, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो गिविंग यू योर बॉडी का शेप. सो व्हाट विल डू इज टेक दिस लाइक दिस and start making small pleats with it. Small pleats. Once you reach here, एकदम देख लीजिए जैसे सब tucked in है, सब साथ में एकदम है. And then once you reach here, with this, इन सबको लीजिए and put a pin or a brooch here. Brooch बहुत अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि ये भी एक अच्छा सा डिजाइन ले रहा है. So just take a pin. I don't have a brooch, so I'll be using a safety pin. So इन सबको लीजिए एक साथ and along with the petticoat put a pin. So once that is secured, first of all तो आपकी यहाँ पे सब चुन्नतें आ गई हैं. So पीछे से आप इसे वो कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा नीचे. So this is how it is going to look पीछे से. If you want, you can tuck this part in also, but then there is this orange border which is looking good. So this is how it is going to look from पीछे, and आगे से you getting all the pleats here. So even if your palla is latko fine from here, you have pleats here. So this looks, that gives a very chic look to your sari. And also make sure that जब आप साड़ी पहन रहे हैं तो आपको उसको इतनी लंबी रखने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि you're a beginner. You can also keep it a bit ऊंचा ताकि आपके लिए walk करना आसान है. And then this part that is hanging around, you can either keep it here like this, or like you can hold it like this, or if you don't want that, you can make a pleat out of it, put a hand in like this, and then you don't even have to worry about this falling anywhere, and then you can turn around your hand anywhere you want, and it is not going to create a mess for you, and you're not going to fall. So I hope this video helped you out in knowing how to wear a sari for the beginners. If there are any questions that you want to ask, or if there is any other date that you want me to try out for you, please go ahead and let me know. Please write down comments and let me know about it. Hope you have your first sari experience the best, and like me, you also fall in love with the sari draping or sari material or whatever. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.